Good day, my name is Mzwandile Zakate. I'm 25 years old. I'm from Eastern Cape and Kandul location. I'm an artist. I can probably say jack of all trades because I do everything that is done in artistically. But the more thing that I'm focused on, it's filming based on youth development, because we are going around the places that is around Eastern Cape developing youth due to telling stories or shooting stories and taught them about acting and all that stuff. Yeah, I get um, support from my friends, from my family, and also neighborhoods, and I appreciate that a lot. Just because of that's where I get motivated when I get some feedback from the outside people. Yeah, I appreciate it a lot.